Come test drive the 2020 Metris. The Metris offers relatively nimble dimensions with the ability of larger vans. The interiors can be configured to carry cargo or passengers and comes with plenty of great options. It is designed to fit your business and your garage and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.